Okay. Okay, let's tune. A. It's like second space A. Try coming in on that. It's getting better. Do you guys hear the beats though? Yeah? Okay. Let's do Anastasia and Allie one more time. So Anastasia start. Allie out. Rachel come in. There we go. Rachel out. Anna. Good adjustment. All right. Very good. So what'd you do differently because you started really out of tune, and then when you fixed it, what'd you do differently?
My jaw.
You dropped your jaw a little bit? Okay. When we're tuning, like when it feels low, you need to like push the reed in. You like take a little bit more reed, and then when you're too high, you need to take a little less reed. So you shouldn't be like dropping your jaw too much, but like adjusting it a little bit is okay, but it should mainly be like how much reed you're taking in now. All right. Let's do, you guys are working on your concert C major and minor scales, right?
What?
No?
What are we doing? Sure.
Okay, we were told you were. So let's just start with C major. How we're going to do it is just all in unison, and I'm going to hold out some of them if there's like a little pitch discrepancies.
Major.
Yeah, C major for now. All right, all together. 2, 3. On that note. Play it. Start with Anastasia on that note. Alright. Experiment pushing in and out with the reed.
Yeah. Wait.
Getting better? I go Rachel. There we go. Okay, that sounds a lot better. We're going to start at the top now and then go down with a C minor scale. So think
That's just what's in the C minor.
Flat.
E flat. What do you do for minor scales? Do you remember without looking at your book?
Lower the.
You lower the third, the
7th,
and one more. The 6th. So you're lowering the third, the 6th, and the 7th. So if you think about going from top to bottom, you have C,
B flat.
B flat, flat,
So it's an E flat.
Right. basically, yeah.
Okay.
Just starting on C.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, so it's
So that makes sense. So we have
flat,
C,
A flat, B flat.
B flat, A flat. What comes next?
G. F. E flat.
E flat,
D,
C. Okay, perfect. So starting on that top C. 1, 2, 3. On that note. Play it. Wait, there's no more answer. All right. Right. Keep going. Okay, let's go to the sheet, the handout sheet that we have. And you all have done 2 of them. Pick whichever note you haven't done yet. Do you guys remember? So you're on so.
I have no.
I did.
Oh, I haven't done
You haven't done me yet? Okay,
No.
so Rachel's gonna be me, and Allie and Anna are gonna be Does.
I did dough, but I can't remember what other one I did.
Well, because last cycle I didn't play anything, so.
Yeah.
I did dough.
But I think I did me the week
before. Dough
before.
was that week.
I don't remember. I think you did so.
Okay.
I think you did.
So
Are you cool with
should
doing? Are you cool with doing so again though?
Yeah.
Is that fine? Okay. I mean dough again. Sorry.
Dough. Yeah, sure.
So Allie and Anna on dough. Rachel's on me. Anastasia on soul. All right. Cool. We're all starting together on dough. This week dough is going to be C though. Okay. So the little key up here, you just have to replace it with the C major scale. So dough is going to be C. What's me going to be? E. And what's soul going to be? G. There we go.
Wait, what's Ray?
Ray is D. It's just the C major scale. And then Fa is going to be F. All right. We ready? We're all coming in on Do, which is going to be C this week. Okay. 1, 2. Let's do middle C. Unless, is that high G going to be hard? No. Okay. Well, because it's really hard to tune the low C, right? That one's pretty.
No, I think middle's harder to do.
Sometimes
Middle's harder to tune.
they're all awful. Middle C.
Oh, it's just hard. Okay, let's do low C then.
Okay.
1, 2, low C. That's the balance we want. I'm sorry. Yeah, we need a lot of so. So do and so need to be equal, and then me is going to be a little bit quieter. Okay, so let's try that one more time. Try getting a little bit faster the balance.
Are we
So,
just going to the notes or are we scaling up?
right now we're just going to them.
Okay.
We're going to scale up them next. All right. So all on do, on C. Good balance there, and thanks for fixing that intonation. Okay, now we're going to scale up to it. You're all going to stay on the same degrees that you're at, though. So we're starting on do, and remember when we scale up, you re-articulate do. Okay, so all on do again. 1, 2, 3. To sing it to hear those intervals with me. Okay, so this is gonna feel really funny, and I'll sing with those who are scaling up. But I want you to really try to hear the difference between do and so and do and mi, because they're kind of hard to hear. So all starting on do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol. Do. Alright, so do those intervals make a little bit more sense? Because right now the mi is getting a little too high. So it's just do, re, mi. So make sure that you're staying right in between there. Alright, so do again. All together. 3. right, good job. We're gonna do that harmonic intonation thing that we did last week, where we start on do, mi, so, and then mi drops down a half step, and so drops down a half step. Do you remember doing this? Yes. Okay. So we're gonna start in the middle C now, just so it's easier to drop down. All right. So middle C, and then I'll cue so, mi, and then mi drops down, so drops down, do drops down. Make sense?
Mhm.
Okay. So on middle C.
Yeah. B. Okay.
Ready. So. Mi, E. And then drop down a half step. A half step. So E, you go to E flat. There we go. Okay, good job keeping the balance there. That was really, really nice. Okay, I'll take a minute to breathe. I want you to get out festival fanfare first.
my
Woohoo!
gosh. Like, this is like never gonna happen. Like,
Well, not with
crap.
that attitude. Okay, this week we're working on a new part of it, which is exciting. Okay,
Let's start at 36.
we're actually starting at 56, I believe.
What? A Heidi flat.
Yeah, we're starting at 57. Okay, so we're starting.
No!
What's the issue?
Heidi flat.
Hi,
I
oh.
don't know how to play I know, on my scale, I was like, okay, I can't play the E in the top.
I don't know the high fingerings. I'm just gonna go to them and it's like, I can't.
Does that,
See, I can
try
play
it. Try that fingering. Half full. Half full. Half full. There we go. Okay.
If I pull it up.
Okay, you're
But it's not
pinching
that
a
bad
lot
because
there,
you're
so make
Yeah.
sure that you're keeping your armature. I know it's super high, everybody does it, but don't hurt yourself when you play that because pinching could really damage your jaw there. Okay, we're gonna start at 57, and we're just gonna do a rough run through from 57
okay.
to 68. Okay? Alright, we're gonna do it really, really slowly though. Try to get
Wait,
as much.
Should we go to E natural on that trail or go up to G?
On that trill,
It's F natural.
it's F natural to F sharp or G
Okay.
flat. That's what the flat means there. You're talking about at 59, right?
56, 58.
58.
But I guess 50.
Okay, 58 goes to G because it has a natural sign,
Okay.
and then 59 goes to G flat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any other questions about fingerings or anything? No? Okay. Try to get as many of the notes as you can, but we're really concerned with rhythms on this one. Okay. So it's going to be about this slow. Think about 30-second note subdivisions. Okay. I'll give you 1, 2, and then you're in on 3. 1 E and a 2 E and a. Yeah, exactly. So 30-second notes are going to be twice as fast as the 16th notes that I'm subdividing for you. So these are 16th notes. 1 E and a 2 E and a 30-second notes are going to be da 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 da. Okay. 1 E and a 2 E and a. Alright, let's stop right there. Okay, when it gets really high like that, you gotta watch the pitch there. So let's turn that tuner back on.
Oh, here.
Can I make a suggestion on that?
Yes.
Bring it down an octave.
Yeah.
Rescore it. Just bring it down an octave, okay? So, and that'll work.
Okay,
That'll
cool.
be the best thing for you guys. Because that's like impossible writing,
Yeah.
okay? Just impossible.
Alright, so if you want to write in your part there to bring that down an octave, that should be super helpful. Thank you. Okay, the 30-second notes at that tempo were actually pretty good. The one that I was most concerned with was at 59 when you're coming in off the beat. Okay, so what subdivision are you coming in on? Can you tell me? The and of 3, absolutely. It is a lot to fit into an and. But you were just doing it before when you started on 3. It's just a different concept because you're starting on the and. So when you're thinking about that, when you're trilling, think about the 30-second notes. So you're thinking so you have okay. So think about coming in on the and there. I want you to start on that trill.
Which one? The one
At 59. And remember trilling to the B flat or G flat, sorry. So I'll give you 4, and then you're in on 1 with that trill. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. 3. Okay, let's just count it together, say it together. So we have trill, da 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 da. Okay, that's what I want you to sing. 1, 2, ready, go. Trill, da 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 da. Very good. One more time. Ready, go. There we go. Very nice. And I loved how Rachel was fingering that time. Can we all do it one more time while fingering? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that time you guys came in a little bit late on the and there. I feel like you guys are sometimes waiting for Anastasia to come in. Come in on your own. Come in on your own. You can do it. 3, 4. There we go. Good job that time. Back to your instruments. I'll let you write that in, Anna. Perfect. 3, 4. There we go. Very nice. Right now, worry more about coming in at the right time than the notes. Because the notes are just a scale there that you guys know. And I feel like you're psyching yourself out. Once you get the rhythm, the notes will come.
What trill do they have?
It's an F to a G flat.
F to G flat. How are you guys doing it? You using just regular fingering?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Very nice. That sounded so much better.
Hey, you guys, what about using fork fingering F? Then all you're doing is moving 1. Right? I think that'd be easy. Why don't you try that? Let's hear how it sounds. You know, that fork fingering is not really good. There you go. Ready? Trill. And. Yeah, isn't that better? Yeah, it's easier than using regular fingering F. Yeah.
Let's start back at 57 here on beat 3. And we're putting in context, we're still at the slow tempo right now.
And
So
that
we're
trill at the 4/4, what did we
Just
that
just to
It's just
the
yeah, that has the natural sign, so you're going to G.
F?
So yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. I'll give you 2 and then you're in on 3. Remember to subdivide the 30-second notes when I'm subdividing the 16th notes for you. Okay? 1 E and a 2 E and a. One more time. 1 E and a 2 E and a. Okay, so you guys came in a little too early on those 30-second notes before 60. So I liked how in 58 you dropped out of the trill a little bit early, so you had time to give yourself momentum on those 30-second notes. I think that's a really good idea. Make sure you're not dropping out too early at 59 though. So you're holding the trill until that 3rd beat, and then you're coming in on the and. Don't freak out about how many notes you have to fit in. You have it, especially at the slow tempo. So let's start at 57 again. 1 E and a 2 E and a. Okay, so so I'll give you an audible beat this time. Make sure you're making it all the way to 3, and you're not going on to that held note at 60 until beat 1. Okay. 1 E and a 2 E and a. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that time you guys came in a little bit late. We have 1, 2, 3. Da 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 da. Okay, so you're coming right on the and there. Let's do just measure 59 to 60. 1, 2, 3 E and a 4 E and a. Very nice. Do that one more time. Ready, go. Perfect. One more time just to solidify it. Ready, go. There we go. That sounds so much better.
And then 60s where we're taking it down the octave.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like
6.
just hit the B flat
And then go on the F.
Yeah. Actually, take it down the octave on the third beat of 61, right where you have the sextuplets there, leading into
Okay.
62. Does that make sense? Okay. So I'll just make it
There
a
we go.
little bit smoother. Okay.
What?
Let's start right at 60. Right at 60 there. All right. 1, 2, 3. There. Do you guys need to write anything in for dropping it down? Because I know it's different fingerings for some
I'll
of
just
them.
be like, oh, it's the high part. Just bring it down.
Okay. Okay, sounds good. Let's work on some harmonic intonation there. So it goes into it at 62.
Yeah.
Okay, so just we're gonna go note by note, and I want you to hold it out until it gets in tune, and then we're gonna go to the next one. Okay, so right at 62. Hum your note. Here you go. No?
No.
Play it. Much better. Next note. There you go. Very nice. Let's put it back into context. Starting at 60. 1, 2, 3. Much better. I really like this.
Should we take it back up at
I
68?
did.
Yeah.
It's not super high.
No, it's
At
not.
68.
For us.
Yeah.
For us, yeah, it's just.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, at 68, definitely take that back up.
Yeah.
If you want, you can
I'm
even
not quite.
take it back up at 66 after the F there. When you go down to the A,
Yeah.
you can do that second space A. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so do you want to write that in your parts so you know exactly where?
I was kind of doing that anyways because
Yeah,
I
Yeah.
have no
too.
clue how to
Okay.
finger low.
Okay, sounds good. All right, let's play the whole passage again from 657.
Yeah, you have it.
What's up?
Whoa.
Yeah,
cool. She has the low A.
Oh, the
key.
low A key.
Yeah, I don't know.
Ooh, fancy.
Is it this thing?
Yeah.
I have double octave.
Whoa,
You guys have fancy oboes. I love it. All right, 57. Let's try doing it a tiny bit faster. So think about the 30-second notes. I'll give you 16th notes. I'll give you 1, 2, and you're in on 3. 1E and a 2E and a. One more time. 1E and a 2E and a. 1, 2. Okay, let's start that again. Make sure
Oh man.
that you're.
True.
Yeah, make sure you're getting the 30-second notes throughout that entire beat and a half. So you're trill off. Da 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 da. Okay, back at 57, third beat. 1E and a 2E and a. One more time. 1E and a 2E and a. 2, 3. 2, 3. 1. Good job. Very good job. That sounds so much better. Okay, really quickly, we're gonna go to corral and shaker.
Oh, we got this one.
Dance.
Now. We know.
Woo!
We didn't know for yesterday, but.
Right.
Oh, it's so stressful.
What happened?
Well, we had our challenge yesterday.
Oh,
and it was like
nice.
this song, like L to the end. So literally the whole song that we haven't done with you.
I got most of the song
gosh.
done.
Oh my
So
gosh.
we have most of it done.
Okay, cool. So that's gonna make S a lot easier, right?
Oh yeah, we had to play S. Yes.
Okay, cool.
Like here to here, like
Oh,
I
I
have
totally
some ones that
found
have
that.
all of it marked in, but it's
But I
just
ca-
like,
All right.
I
Well, you
kinda
guys are
got
gonna be great at this then, but we're gonna do S, and I want you all to focus on articulations here. So let's see, how much time do we have? We only have 5 minutes, but really quickly, Allie, I want you to pick one of the articulations that you see from S to T, and I want you to play the first 4 measures with just that articulation. So you can do tenuto, staccato, or slurred,
oh, okay.
but don't tell us what you're gonna
okay. I know what I'm gonna
do. Okay, go ahead. First 4 measures,
do. Okay.
whenever you're ready. There we go. So what did she do?
Staccato.
She did staccato. Very nice. Except for
Or I did the slur.
you did the slurs, but that's probably just muscle memory.
Yeah.
All right, Anna, pick one that she didn't do.
Oh my, what am I doing? Oh.
There you go. So what did she pick?
That was a mess.
Slurred? Was it slurred or was it tenuto? Slurred. Okay. And how did you hear that it was slurred?
Because she slurred it.
All of them were connected. There we go. You didn't hear any tonguing. Rachel, demonstrate tenuto for us.
I don't know what tenuto is.
Oh, tenuto is the line that's over it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and so it's connected, but you're still tonguing.
Okay, yeah.
There we go. Very nice. So how can you tell orally the difference between staccato and tenuto? Yeah, staccato is separated. I like that a lot. So staccato is not short, it's separated. So it has more space in between the notes. So remember that when you have a tenuto and then staccatos, it's going to be long, separated. But we're good. Okay, starting at S, you're going to T, and I want you to really focus on doing all the articulations correctly. Is this about the tempo?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, ready. At the very beginning, the first 2 measures, I loved the difference between your tenutos and your staccatos, and I lost it a little bit during the next 4 measures. So make sure your staccatos, there's always separation in between them, even though they're already eighth notes. It's gonna be da 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 da. So really exaggerate those staccatos. Let's start at S again. 1, 2. Very good job. All right, so staccatos, just keep in mind to keep those as separated as possible. We are out of time. Is there anything you want to do really quickly, though? No? That sounds really good. Everybody feel good about their chair placements? Yeah, that's good.
Well, we don't like know.
We don't know
yet.
yet.